Welcome to Afro Page and thanks for watching. Waist beads have been worn by African women over the years dating back to the 15th century to serve for so many reasons, and in this video we are excited to present to you the top 10 reasons why African women wear waist beads. But before we start, please support this channel by subscribing, and also don't forget to click the bell icon so that you get notified anytime we upload a new video. So without further ado, here are the top 10 reasons why African women wear waist beads. Number 10. Maturity and growth. Throughout several countries in Africa, belly beads have been used to adorn girls and women and indicate how they have matured and grown. Traditionally, mothers adorned their daughters with waist beads during their first menstruation as a rite of passage into womanhood. New belly beads were looked forward to as they symbolized a healthy life and the special things about a woman that set her apart from a man. Number 9. Intimate appeal. Waistbeads can also be worn for seduction. Not only do they symbolize a woman's progress in life, but they honor her sexuality as well. For some African countries, waistbeads possess intimate appeal and can provoke desire. Wives would often lure their husbands with the rattle of beads or use them as a means to communicate their fertility at certain times of the month. Number 8. Body shaping and weight loss management. Many African countries women used waist beads as an instrument of body shaping. The beads were used to alert women of their weight gain or if they became pregnant. For women who do not normally weigh themselves, belly beads can serve as an indicator of weight loss or gain. They believe that beads roll lower on your waist if you lose weight and become tighter or higher on your waist if you gain weight. Number 7. Traditional practices. There's a belief that beads improve a woman's curves. Hence, beads are worn around African baby girls to enhance their curves and also to give them shape as they reach their adolescent stage. For example, when a child is born in some Ghanaian communities, 2 beads are worn irrespective of the gender. As a male baby becomes a toddler, his beads are removed, but for a female child, she will keep wearing the beads forever. Number 6. Empowerment. They are a symbol and celebration of womanhood, sexuality and independence. The confidence of many women who have this is boosted with the strings of beads around their waist. Number 5. Heritage and pride. Waist beads are a symbol of a proud African heritage, history and culture. And also the way to pass down the African values to the future generation. Number 4. Jewelry and accessories. Some waist beads are made from precious ornaments and act as accessories, hence a woman believes it accentuates her beauty, her wealth and her status. Number 3. The latest fashion trends. Waist beads are back in the mainstream, and wearing that is considered to be cool. Women who wear waist beads believe it to have a more stylish and authentic look as it complements her shape. Number 2. Spiritual healing and meditation. Some women who are deeply rooted in spirituality associate certain waistbeads with the capacity to bring spiritual healing, peace and sanity into their lives. They also wear them during meditation. They claim it helps bring protection to their heart, body and soul, and hence it is used against bad omen. Number 1. Waist beads also act as an aphrodisiac, elevating sexual desires and pleasure. They make women more aware of their sexuality. Waist beads also have the ability to stir up deep erotic feeling in men. Sexual pleasure is also heightened when men see waistbeads resting seductively on a woman's hips. What do you think of this list? Let us know why your own country wear waist beads. And also before you go, please support this channel by giving this video a like and also subscribe and click the bell icon so that you get notified anytime we upload a new video. If you like educative and informative videos about Africa and its celebrities, subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any.